A federal judge issued an opinion on why she's allowing a middle schooler to try out for the tennis team as her lawsuit against the school board is playing out. The judge says that 11-year-old suffered harm because of the discrimination from the board.
Well, we're absolutely thrilled for Janie.
A federal judge in the Eastern District Court ruled Janie Doe, who identifies as female, can now try out this fall for the girls' tennis team at her Hanover Middle School. 11-year-old Janie Doe is suing the school board after they voted to not let her play. She claims it violates Title IX, which is a federal law that says public schools are prohibited from discriminating on the basis of sex. But the school board claims they're following the state's model policies and the opinion of the Attorney General, required under state law, until a court determines those are invalid. The judge wrote evidence presented so far in Janie's case has, quote, demonstrated the likelihood of success on the merits of both her Title IX and equal protection claims. The judge writes it is shown she was excluded from participating on the basis of sex, and she was harmed as a result. Writing, quote, because Janie Doe faces a litany of harms ranging from medical regression, social isolation and stigma, financial and logistical burdens, and the dignitary harms of either outing her as transgender or communicating that transgender students are not welcomed or encouraged to participate in school athletics at all. Janie Doe has made more than a clear showing that the discrimination has harmed her. The judge also writes the school board's defense is, quote, literally the definition of gender identity discrimination. The judge stated Janie's case is extremely similar to a case in West Virginia. In that case, the judge overturned the state's transgender sports ban and ruled a middle school transgender girl could run on the track team. Writing, quote, the choice between not participating in sports and participating only on boys' teams is not a real choice because, quote, it will countermand her social transition, her medical treatment, and all the work she has done with her schools, teachers, and coaches for nearly half her life by introducing herself to teammates, coaches, and even opponents as a boy.
Judge Locke made very clear that no state policies can shield Virginia school boards from accountability for violating federal law. And I think that this opinion communicates to school boards across the state of Virginia, not just Hanover, that they should think twice before using BDOE's anti-trans model policies to discriminate against their own students.
The Hanover School District declined to comment on the judge's decision because it is pending litigation. Because of this ruling, Janie will be able to try out for the tennis team next week. Her case against the school board is ongoing. In Hanover, I'm Maggie Marshall, CBS 6 News.